Oh, there's a little springbok over there. Oh.
Aww.
Thought I'd find one.
The baby one.
Giraffe, yeah.
Aww. There is three. Three. Should be about three. Aww.
Really get close to him though. Come and have a look at him over here. On my screen.
It's very close.
Show you the little springbok. See you walking.
Sit on the table.
Where he's feeding them, right?
A minute ago I came out, there were a lot of people looking out their balcony like someone else is filming.
Someone else filming.
Yeah, over there.
Right, look at little springboks. The little tails
What
waving.
about today?
Mate, in front of me. Don't get in front of
Oh
me.
yeah, sorry. I made it blurry. Whoops. That sounds like you.